I have a brand new Ubuntu machine and I'm going to install Prancer Cloud Validation Framework there. As you can see, it's 1804. First of all, I will do an update of the package information, and installation of the Prancer framework is super easy. First, you should install Python package manager, and then with the use of the pip tool, you can install the framework easily. To install pip3, I will run the command. Now I have both the Python 3 and pip3 installed on my system. So I'm going to install Prancer framework, and I will do the name of the package is Prancer Basic. With the use of pip3, first it installs all the prerequisites on your system, and then after that it will install the Prancer Basic on your computer. And if I do get the version of the Prancer, you can see the latest version 1.06 is installed on my computer. And also, if I get the help command, I can see all the available arguments to put in the Prancer command line interface to work with the framework.